Wit Wit videos. Wit Wit videos.
Cleaning products are substances used to remove dirt, stains, and other contaminants from surfaces. The purpose of cleaning products may be for health, such as disinfecting, or beauty, such as polishing skin, removing offensive odors, or avoiding the spread of dirt and contaminants to oneself and others. A cleaning agent is any substance or device used to clean. The use of cleaning agents is usually distinguished from the act of simply removing dirt and debris from an object with the intent of making it look better, smell better, reduce allergens and pathogens, etc. This list of cleaning products is a guide to help you select the best suitable cleaning agent for your needs. We have listed the product name, manufacturer, category of use, and a number of stars rating for each item. We hope this helps you stay healthy and clean. Thank you for watching Wit Wit videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit Wit videos. Wit Wit videos.